god, you're so stupid. You're such an idiot. You can't even understand such a simple thing. What's wrong with you? You always embarrass me. Ugh. You're such a failure. You just never do anything right in life. How did you feel when I was saying these things out loud? Would you say these same things to your partner, to your best friend, to your sibling, to anyone in the world you truly love and care for? You wouldn't, right? Then why is it so easy to say these things to yourself like it's nothing? Why is kindness your default for the people you love and care for, but not for the one you live with every single day? You! Hey, you owe yourself better. Better words, better love, better kindness. Let your self-talk be the start of your healing, not the reason why you need it. Because you deserve to feel safe, at least in your own head, right?